Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome to Hussain Academy. Thank you everyone for the support which you all have given me on my last video, in which we have seen individual, discrete, and continuous series. So, we have seen the types of series. Today, we will be seeing only mean individual series. This is my second video in which I am going to explain about mean individual series with both the formulas, direct and shortcut method. Mean is also known as arithmetic mean. Look at the question, calculate mean by direct and shortcut method. So in this question there is only one line in the question, so it is clear that we have to solve by using individual method. First we are going to solve this question by using direct method. Mean symbol is x bar. Instead of mean, we can also write x bar. Mean is equals to sigma x by n. The formula is sigma x by n. Sigma x can be calculated by adding all the numbers given in the question. Here you can see the numbers 50 plus 65 plus 37 plus 29, like that we have to add for getting the value of sigma x. 50 plus 65 plus 37 plus 29 plus 92 plus 43 plus 81 plus 36 divided by number of items. N is number of items, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 8 items. It means n is equals to 8. For getting the value of sigma x, we have to add all those values. So we'll get 433 divided by 8. We have to divide these values. We'll get the mean. Here the answer is 54.125. The mean for individual series for this question, answer is 54.125. Hope it's very easy to understand. Formula is very simple. Mean x bar is equals to sigma x by n. We have to just add all the values divided by number of items, then divide the number, we'll get the mean value. This one is the second method, calculation of mean individual series by shortcut method. For calculation of mean by shortcut method, we need x and d. We need x and d. Here I am drawing a table. In x, I will be writing all the numbers given in the question. And in d, for calculating d, we have one formula, x minus a. For calculating d, first we have to write x. So x values are 50, 65, 37, 29, 92, 43, 81, 36. X values are given in the question. We wrote that only. Now we'll calculate d. How to calculate d? X minus a. So a means assume mean. I am taking one number from x, that is smallest number 29. We can take any number. 50 minus 29, 65 minus 29, 37 minus 29, 29 minus 29, 92 minus 29, 43 minus 29, 81 minus 29, 36 minus 29. A means assume mean. So when we deduct these numbers, we'll get the values 50 minus 29, 21, 36, 8, 0, 63, 14, 52, 7. So now we got all the values of D. Do the sum of all the values. We'll get 201. Sigma D is 201. Formula of mean in shortcut method is x bar is equals to A plus sigma D by N. A is 29 plus sigma D. The sum of D is 201. We have already calculated D. The sum of D is 201. N is number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is 8. X bar is equals to 29, same as it is. Divide that value 201 by 8. It's 25.125. X bar mean is equals to, add these values. Mean is 54.125. Great! Hope you all have observed that the answer of both the methods are same. Shortcut method 54.125 and direct method same 54.125. For cross-checking, we can do two methods. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.